during the holidays, if you've ever thought, I have no idea what to get them, this is the list of top 5 microgreen loving personalities that will save your Christmas shopping and make you look like a total genius. We've all been there, getting socks or sweaters or gift cards, and it just doesn't feel like what you want. And yet, you don't know what you want. Well, here we're gonna do some mind reading and wait until you hear who's number 5. You'd never guess that they'd want microgreens, but once you see why, it'll click instantly. Hi, I'm Connor Hiebel, and I help people gift and grow beautiful, powerful microgreens without needing a garden, greenhouse, or even a green thumb. And for those of you who don't know what microgreens are just stage right after a sprout, so tiny baby vegetables. And the reason why they're so powerful, you can grow them any time of year. Yes, even in winter when it's snowing, because you're growing them indoors, they're 40% more nutrient dense. And you can grow them in just 7 days. That's right, 7 days. And you have fresh live microgreens. So comment who below, and I'll share with you my free gift match guide that helps you pair the perfect microgreens to the right person. And while you're waiting, stay with me, because you're about to get 5 perfect people to gift this to, and you can probably think of even more. So the first person, that foodie friend who's always having every new kitchen gadget. They're there for the flavor, the plating, the experimenting, and trying new recipes. They're always creating a new dish, whether it's one they heard online, heard on TikTok, or maybe one they in their mind. They're the type of people who love microgreens because they're fresh, vibrant, and they elevate every dish. Have you ever been to a high-end restaurant and you've seen those nice little microgreens garnished on top? That's what your foodie friend loves. They love to add something that during that next holiday get-together, that next event, they'll be able to know that they grew that and that they were able to add it to their meals and elevate that dish. So it's that ultimate flex for that foodie friend. And number 2, the health nut who's always trying something new. We all know someone who's into smoothies, supplements, or meal prep. Give them something alive and functional that they can grow in just 1 week. For me, I've been in health and wellness space for myself, for my own health, and I find that it's really great to add into my smoothies. In fact, I have my smoothie right here. Adding in microgreens is so easy, and you grow it in 7 days, 40% more nutrient boost. So for your healthy friends, this is such a great way to add it into their meals. Also, whatever they're eating in the day, they can literally just harvest their microgreens, garnish it right on top. And so it's alive and functional for them. It's clean, it's pesticide free. All your foodie friends will absolutely love this. And for vegans who are looking to get more protein, my pea microgreens are really great because they're high in protein, just like regular peas, and they have that high nutrient content. And number 3, the plant lover who's always running out of windowsill space. Microgreens let them grow a full tray of microgreens, enjoying that growing process of growing plants while also growing something that they can eat. So they get to harvest it and not just look at it. So they're getting that benefit of growing something, which there have been a lot of studies talking about the health benefits of growing plants. Whether that's reducing any kind of stress or anxiety you're experiencing in the day, growing plants can really help with that. And so why not just also add in the nutrient benefit of growing your own fresh life produce? If at least one person has already come to mind, hit that like button, and that's how we'll know that this gift is a winner. And don't go anywhere, because number 5 is someone most people never think of, but it might be the person who needs them the most. All right, number 4, parents or grandparents who say, I don't want anything. We all have that person who just says, I don't want anything, just you being here is a gift enough. And while that is so sweet and so nice, we know that that makes it so much harder to get them a gift, because you want to tell them how much you care about them and how much they mean to you, but they don't know what they want. And microgreens give them joy, color, and something fun to nurture without the clutter, without the tech confusion. In fact, when I very first started Island Microgreens, I had someone buy about 6 kits, one for them and the rest for their grandkids. And during their birthday, they ended up all getting on Zoom. It was right during COVID, and they all planted their microgreens together. So it really in this whole just being able to be around their friends and family. And it was so cool to watch the kids light up as they were growing their microgreens with their grandma. And that's what's so powerful about microgreens is they connect us together. You know, we've all talked with our friends and family, and a lot of times we know exactly what happened in the day, what's been going on. And so conversation can kind of get dull and boring. And when you do something new, when you have a new activity, when you grow your microgreens, you now have a whole other conversation. You have this experience that you're growing with your friends and family. And then you can talk about that and talk about the excitement and the joy. And that's such a powerful gift within itself. So growing microgreens with your friends and family is so much fun because it's something that very few people do. And it adds such a level of excitement and joy in the holiday season. And number 5, the one that is the most shocking, is busy people who don't have time to cook. You may be thinking, but they don't have time. How are they going to do this if they're traveling, if they're not even able to cook their own meals? Here's the thing. That person stays at their house for just 14 days. They can grow their microgreens in those 7 days, eat them for another 7 days, and then they can stop growing their microgreens until they fly back home. In fact, I've been traveling quite a lot, and I follow this schedule. Whenever I'm home, I make sure that I have 14 days in advance that I can be growing the microgreens and then eating the microgreens. And so that way I'm still able to get that nutrition while also being able to travel at the same time. Another tip is if you're traveling by car or by train, it's a little bit iffy with plane, is to go ahead and harvest your microgreens, bag them up, and go ahead and travel with them. That way you're able to add them on the meals that you're getting. Whether you have a hotel that you're cooking your food at, you have the ability to add that nutrition. When you're traveling, microgreens are really powerful. And I have a video right here on storing your microgreens so you can dive even further into them. And if you're someone who eats out or uses DoorDash, you can benefit with microgreens because it only takes 7 days to grow. It's as easy as putting your seeds, your soil down, lifting those 2 trays up, putting a cup of water in once a day, and you have fresh live microgreens. And then when you're eating out, you just bring your microgreens with you, just garnish them right on top, and you have fresh live microgreens. It is so easy. In fact, I like to say you may not have a green thumb, but you have a microgreen thumb. So growing them right at home, even if you're busy, is such a great way to make a huge difference. And it's such a great gift for busy people as well. So if you've just realized that this gift is perfect for someone in your life, hit subscribe and the ring bell. I've got more microgreen gift kits coming up that'll help you wrap this up, literally and figuratively. If you're ready to get your friends and family fresh live microgreens this Christmas and say, I value your health and your wellness more than anything else, go ahead and click the link below and I will share with you my microgreen gift bundle that is coming out. It's exclusively for the people who watch this video, and it's going to be for the first 200 people who are wanting to grow and get their microgreens to their family. So go ahead and click that link below and get your gifts today. So I told you that number 5 would surprise you. Most people think you have to be a gardener or a chef to enjoy microgreens, but busy people love them because they're low effort and high impact. And now that you know who to buy for, the next challenge is, can you grow your microgreens in winter? Because right now we're in winter time. So if I'm gonna get a gardening thing, is that possible to use it in winter? A lot of your outdoor gardening you can't do right now. So is it possible, even if it's snowing, to grow your microgreens? Well, check this video out and I will see you there.